Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you use DoorDash with your SNAP or EBT benefits, then updating your card details becomes important whenever your card is replaced, expired, or no longer working properly. Many users get confused because there is no direct option to edit the SNAP card inside the app, which makes it seem complicated. But the process is actually very simple once you understand it. Instead of editing, you just need to remove your old card and add the new one again from the payment settings. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to change your Snap card quickly and without any confusion. Try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app on your phone and tap on your profile icon. Step 2. Select the payment methods option from the settings menu. Step 3. Tap on your current Snap or EBT card and choose Remove. Step 4. Tap on Add Payment Method and select Snap or EBT card. Step 5. Enter your new Snap card details and save it. Step 6. Go to checkout and select your new Snap card to confirm it works.